Chicken shawarma. Marinate the chicken. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours, or preferably overnight for more flavor. Cook the chicken. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat. You can also use a regular grill if available. Cook the marinated chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, until fully cooked and golden brown. You can also cook them in the oven at 400 F 200 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing it into thin strips. Prepare the shawarma sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together tahini, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Add water little by little to reach your desired sauce consistency. It should be smooth but pourable. Assemble the shawarma. Warm the pita or flatbreads. Place some sliced chicken on the bread, then top with fresh vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and lettuce. Drizzle with the tahini sauce, and add pickles if desired. Roll up the shawarma or fold it into a wrap. Serve your homemade chicken shawarma warm with extra sauce on the side. Tips: freshness. If you want an extra burst of freshness, you can add a squeeze of lemon juice on top before serving. Vegetarian option. You can replace the chicken with grilled vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, and bell peppers for a vegetarian shawarma. Flavorful sauces. Garlic sauce made with mayonnaise, garlic, and lemon, or a tahini-based sauce works best with shawarma.
Chicken shawarma is typically served with a variety of sides and accompaniments. Here are some popular options. Pita or flatbread, soft, warm bread to wrap the chicken and toppings. Hummus, a smooth, creamy dip made from chickpeas, tahini, and olive oil. Tabbouleh, a fresh salad with parsley, tomatoes, onions, and bulgur wheat. Pickles, tangy pickled vegetables like cucumbers, turnips, or carrots. Fries, crispy fries are often served on the side or inside the wrap. Garlic sauce toom, a rich, garlicky sauce that complements the flavors of the shawarma. Cucumber and tomato salad, fresh and refreshing to balance the spices. Rice, sometimes served alongside, especially in a platter form. Would you like any recipe ideas for these sides?
Preparing pita or flatbread from scratch for chicken shawarma is a great way to elevate your meal. Here's a simple recipe to make soft, fluffy pita bread or flatbread at home. Activate the yeast. In a small bowl, combine the warm water, sugar, and yeast. Stir gently to dissolve the sugar. Let the mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until it becomes foamy. This means the yeast is activated and ready. Make the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Pour in the activated yeast mixture and olive oil. Stir until a dough begins to form. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes, until smooth and elastic. If the dough is too sticky, add a little flour. If it's too dry, add a little water. First rise. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, covering it with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap. Allow it to rise in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it doubles in size. Shape the pitas. Punch the dough down to release the air, then divide it into 6 to 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball, then use a rolling pin to roll them out into circles about 1/4 inch thick. Cook the pitas. Heat a large, non-stick skillet or cast iron pan over medium-high heat. You want it hot but not smoking. Place a rolled-out dough circle into the skillet and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until puffed up and lightly golden. You'll notice that the pita will puff up as it cooks. This is what gives it that classic pita pocket. Remove from the pan and place the cooked pita on a clean towel. Cover it to keep it soft. Serve. Repeat the process with the remaining dough balls. Serve the fresh, warm pita with your chicken shawarma or other fillings. Tips: pockets. The puffing action creates the pocket inside the pita, making it perfect for stuffing with chicken shawarma. If you prefer thicker, fluffier bread, roll the dough a little thicker. Storage. Store any leftover pitas in an airtight container or bag. You can reheat them in the oven or on the stovetop. Flavor variation. Add some herbs like thyme or oregano to the dough for extra flavor. Making your own fresh pita is a fantastic way to elevate your chicken shawarma and make your meal feel extra special, especially for Ramadan.